this ABS pipe changes on ATV plow rides. Let me show you.
Here you can see with no ABS pipe, it chatters and catches, and the blade is known to dig in and tear up your gravel driveway. With an ABS pipe, it is very smooth and it naturally raises your blade when you hit a snowbank.
I didn't change the ATV. I didn't upgrade the plow. I added a pipe. This lifts the steel edge just enough so it glides instead of catching. We've got a nice 5-foot long ABS pipe. It's 2 inches in diameter and a good old mallet.
Let me speed this section up for you while I wedge the ABS pipe under the plow. As you can see, it's a fairly easy process and it only takes a few minutes. Now I will show you the results. It fits very snug and it looks nice and clean. Now when you're plowing with the ABS pipe, it is smooth, it doesn't tear up your driveway, and it glides much easier as opposed to your blade catching on ice. As you can see, the ABS pipe looks nice and clean at the bottom of your plow. Now let's do a drone flyover to show you what it looks like before plowing. As you can tell, we have a long driveway, and after plowing with the ABS pipe, it leaves a thin layer of crust.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found value in it. Please like and subscribe for more amazing content that we have planned coming out. If you want to go deeper into this topic, watch this video called Mastering Driveway Plowing with Your ATV, where we break down setup and mistakes that happen only after a few winters. Until next one, see ya.